Do you want to be able to report someone on Discord? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So actually what we're going to do first is to go into Google, and then when we are on Google, we're going to search for Discord report. So search for Discord report, and then we should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is great. I'm going to now select this first option in here. So select this first option in here, and as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is great. What we need to do in here is to actually click right here, as you can see. Now we're going to click on trust and safety. So click on trust and safety. Now you will need to fill out your email address that is connected to your Discord account, just so you know. And where it says how can we help, we can click here, as you can see. Then we can basically either click on report spam, report abuse or harassment. Of course, there's other like options as well. But for example, we can click right here, and then we can also click right here, as you can see, and there's a couple of options for you to choose in here as well. So basically, you can also like click right here. As you can see, it does want you to specify the issue as much as possible in here, as you can see. And basically, yeah, you can see there's a couple of options in here for you to fill out, as you can see as you go around in here. So make it as specific as possible. Then in here you will need to add like the subject of what has been like happening on Discord, basically. And in here you can actually write exactly what happened and what kind of server, for example, you want to report, or if there is like a specific user, for example. And then when you're done, just click right here where it says submit. And that is basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.